Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's take your morning porridge to the next level with a few easy twists: richer texture, balanced sweetness, and that extra touch of freshness. The best way to cook: stovetop versus microwave. You can achieve fantastic results using either a stovetop or a microwave, depending on your schedule. The basic ratio of liquid to oats is typically 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid. Stovetop method, recommended for creaminess. Combine your rolled oats and liquid, water, milk, or a plant-based alternative, in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a slow boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Stir frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it reaches your desired creamy thickness. If it seems too thick, add a splash more liquid. Microwave method, for speed. Combine oats and liquid in a large, microwave-safe bowl. Make sure it's large enough to prevent overflow. Microwave on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Stop, stir, and check the consistency. Cook for another 30 seconds if necessary. Layering the flavor, when to add honey and berries. Timing is key when adding your toppings. The goal is to keep the berries fresh and bright, not cooked down into jam. The honey should retain its flavor. Always cook the porridge base completely first. Once the oats are cooked, pour them immediately into your serving bowl. Now you can add the toppings. Drizzle the honey over the hot oatmeal. The heat helps the honey melt slightly, allowing it to coat the oats evenly. Next, scatter a generous amount of fresh or prepared berries over the top. If your honey is solid and difficult to pour, briefly warming it in the microwave, about 10 seconds, will make it perfectly pliable for drizzling. Next level porridge, tips for flavor and customization. Making porridge a daily ritual shouldn't mean eating the same thing every morning. Customizing your bowl allows you to tailor the flavors and nutritional profile exactly how you like it. Think of the cooked oats as a blank canvas waiting for your creativity. Berry selection secrets, using fresh or frozen berries. While fresh berries certainly provide the best visual appeal and a pleasant, firm bite, frozen berries are an excellent option when out of season or when you want to save money. Here are a few tips for using frozen fruit. Avoid overcooling. If you dump frozen berries straight onto hot porridge, they may cool the dish down too fast. The warm-up trick. Toss the frozen berries into the cooking oats about 1 minute before the porridge is finished. This gently warms them without making them completely mushy. Pre-thaw. Alternatively, microwave the frozen berries briefly for about 30 seconds to release some of their sweet juices before topping your bowl. Upgrade your bowl: nuts, seeds, and spices for crunch. Adding other nutritious elements boosts the flavor and provides necessary textural contrast. The creamy softness of the oats benefits greatly from a satisfying crunch. Consider these power-packed additions. Spices. A dash of cinnamon is a classic addition, known for its warm flavor and blood sugar stabilizing properties. A tiny pinch of sea salt in the cooking water actually enhances the natural sweetness of the oats and honey. Seeds. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds for powerful omega-3 fatty acids and added fiber. They blend easily into the oats. Nuts. Chopped walnuts offer great crunch and brain-boosting health benefits. Sliced almonds provide a mild flavor and lovely texture. Toasting the nuts slightly before adding them amplifies their flavor significantly. Meal prep magic. Save time with overnight oats. If your mornings are truly rushed, eliminate the cooking step entirely with overnight oats. This preparation method involves no heat and allows the ingredients to melt and soften in the refrigerator overnight. To prepare overnight oats, combine rolled oats, liquid, like almond milk or yogurt, a spoonful of honey, and half of your berries in a sealed jar or container. Shake well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top the mixture with the remaining fresh berries and enjoy. This technique is perfect for grab-and-go breakfast success. Porridge with honey and berries isn't just a basic breakfast, it's a commitment to starting your day with balanced, delicious nutrition. The fiber from the oats ensures you stay satisfied, the honey provides clean energy, and the berries deliver vital antioxidant protection. It is simple to prepare, highly customizable, and truly satisfying. Don't wait for a slow Saturday morning. Make this simple, nutrient-filled breakfast part of your daily routine starting tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.